And special thanks to our friends at Nycetek who were nice enough to send us this magnetic car phone mount designed specifically for a Tesla. With this mount, you can mount it to your screen, and then you're able to mount your phone magnetically very easily. Well, it mounts behind your screen. Foldable, adjustable, and other than that, just company information here on the back. So let's open it up, slide it on out. There we go, nice. So nice included instruction guide telling you how to do everything. Everything else you should need is right here. So some wipes to clean your screen. Looks like this is for, you could stick this on your phone to make it a magnetic phone if you don't have one of the new iPhones. This is to help center that. And this is a double-sided tape to mount on the back of your screen to hold the device. So I can kind of show you here. You would essentially, like this would be the corner of your Tesla screen, and this part would stick to the back of your screen so that your phone can easily mount here. You can loosen this to adjust it so it can go all the way down to here. That way you have a bit more room in between the screen and the phone if you would like. That is up to you, and you can fold it down. A little bit of adjusting here that you can tighten so it stays put. Very, very nice. And this is just a replacement sticky pad. Let's go out to our car and show you how this Nycetek magnetic car phone mount for a Tesla actually works. So now that we're in our Tesla Model 3, we'll peel off our little sticker here. And with this peeled off, we'll take this and stick it to the back of our screen. Once you've installed it, you'd want to give it a while to rest before you actually try to put a phone on it. But of course, it's stuck on there. It is adjustable depending on which way you'd want to have it. So you could have your phone up there. And then of course, you could just clip your phone on that way. Or of course, you could have it more over here directly in front of you and clip your phone on that way. Now this back piece here is tightenable, so you're able to tighten it to get the correct location that you want your phone. There we go. Now it's tightened on and it'll stay up top whenever I go to pop my phone on here. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing and demonstration, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.